How to install a WordPress theme manually. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover your cursor over Appearance in the left side menu and click the Themes option. Then click the Add New button. We are going to install a WordPress theme manually and need to upload one. Click the Choose File button. I have the theme that I want to install in zip format on my computer. Select the file and click Open. It will now display the file name. Click the Install Now button. Click the Activate button. That's it. Those are the steps to upload and install a WordPress theme manually. Thank you for watching.